So today we're going to talk about retailers, and if you go to the retailers page, you can see that there's already a house account that's automatically added, and you can also add co-ops or other external accounts, and all the retailer accounts, so the house account as well as external accounts, can submit orders, manage their inventory, review sprayed orders, and if this checkbox is selected, then see as applied info as well. And so to create additional retailers, you get to this page by going inputs and then clicking retailers, and then you just fill out the information. So the name and the short name, and then their email address, and then hit the plus button to add them. And when you add them, an email will be sent to their email address, and from that email, they can log in and create an account. And if they have trouble finding the email, you can always resend it by just hitting reinvite. So we'll select that and we can see resent invitation to this email.